don't think there's going to be a lot in this one just because we already got everything.
Ow! You lied! That was it. That was the shoulder. So I'm an amputee. I had a wreck. Doctors say that my body like adjusted itself. Oh my God! That was so bad. Wow. Yeah. That was so much worse than I thought it would be. That was awesome. That was the best.
So we got Sunny here from Beaumont. Like I was just saying earlier, it's like far but not far. It's like 3 hours outside of Houston, 2 hours depending on how fast you drive. But tell us what's bringing you in, what's hurting you, what's bothering you.
Okay, so my upper back hurts, and then by my shoulder on this side a lot.
Okay.
When I bend down, like my back cracks. Like,
okay.
Like if I touch my toes, my lower back is like cracking. So I'm an amputee. I had a wreck, and the doctors say that my body like adjusted itself,
Gotcha.
like to compensate for the weight of not having my arm. And so I don't know what's going on, honestly.
Gotcha. So this part, so just to rehash, right? So this part hurt.
Yes.
Right, this one.
Yes.
And then your lower back cracks. Does it hurt too?
It doesn't hurt as bad as the top of my back and like into my neck always hurt.
Okay, so did that happen before or after the accident?
Well, I had my wreck when I was 13, so I've just like sat on this for years.
Oh wow! And how old are you right now?
29.
Okay, so going on more than 15 years now, right?
Yeah.
And that's how long it's been.
Yeah, it's just like constant, and it's just getting like worse.
So it never goes away?
No,
ever.
It's just there. It hurts.
Do you have headaches, migraines, stuff like that too?
Yeah, I have headaches.
Okay, how often are you having headaches per?
Well, like right now, like every day.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
When did every day start?
Probably like 5 months ago.
Oh, okay, that's a long time.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, I just realized that I was having them every day. Like I just thought about it and was like, I'm having headaches every day now. So.
Oh man, but previous to that you were having headaches
just
before
occasionally.
too. Gotcha, okay. Well, that sucks.
Yeah, it does.
Especially, I mean, she's also a business owner and you know, you're doing these things and just having headaches on a daily basis, just trying to figure it out, just to do anything sucks when you have a headache because you just don't want to do anything. Energy level's pretty bad too. Yeah, sleeping pretty bad now also. Yeah, it all correlates to what's going on right here. So this part is huge when it comes to your body turning off, but also thinking and energy and focus. When this part, this upper cervical area is just compressed and it sucks, your body just can't function well, right? And so you don't feel like so with it, you feel kind of groggy, you don't get sleep, and then it's just a compounding effect. So we want to open this up primarily and then also work its way down.
Okay.
All right. So shoulder stuff, neck stuff, they go hand in hand with each other. So let's do a few checks on you and let's see how we're doing. Turn your head all the way to the right.
Or this way.
Yeah. So that's about as far as you can before you force it.
Yeah, that's it.
All right. So neck, no, so stay right there. So your nose is right around 45 degrees here. We want it to be closer to 90.
Okay.
All right. Look to the left now. That's a tad bit better. So you're like 50 this way. And then look straight. Any pain when you're going to the left or to the right?
It's this way.
The right side, that hurts? Okay. Let's have you look all the way up to the ceiling.
I can look up.
Does that hurt at all when you do that?
No, not really.
Okay. And then look all the way down.
This is uncomfortable.
That's uncomfortable.
Yeah, this
Where
is
do you feel that?
Kind of like right below the base.
Right there?
And like, everything's like over here, it feels like. It all feels to the right. Like everything feels to the right. It doesn't even feel in the middle.
Sure. Look straight. I mean, here's the thing. It makes sense, right? Because you're having to do everything on your right side now. So when you're having to do everything on your right side, this part is going to take a lot more weight. And let's try and touch your toes for me. Does that hurt at all when you do that?
No, but it pulls like back here.
Oh,
like,
wow. Okay.
It cracks like my lower back. My lower back cracks when I.
So it's okay. That's not a bad thing,
Okay.
right? So when it's cracking, that means that there's movement that's trying to happen there.
Okay.
Really, what that's telling me is that you have really stiff lower back more than anything. So whenever you're cracking, what ends up happening is that your body's like this. You fold over, it pops, and it comes back this way. It can stiffen again. Does the same thing, and then does it again, continuously, over and over and over. So the one thing that we want to see is indicators of pain, but that's telling us that we know it's already compressed too, right? And let's have you lift the left leg all the way up. Does that hurt when you do that?
Yeah, the bottom.
Okay, go back down, do the left side, or the right side, sorry. All right. Does that hurt when you do that? Mm-hmm. Okay. So first things, I'm actually going to go on this left side. Ironically, I feel a lot on this side. Good. So what happened in that accident? It must have been a pretty bad wreck.
Yeah, I had a Yamaha Rhino wreck. It's a UTV.
Feels rough, yeah? Mm-hmm. Sorry about that. So with the headaches, the neck pain, and that, what do you feel like is the worst part about all of it? Like, how do you feel like it's impacting your life?
I have to be like really happy for work to make money, and
and you're not really.
I have to fake being happy. Oh. Yeah. Ow.
Yeah. Now look straight again and turn your head to the right again. That's getting better.
Yeah, it is.
Look to the left.
But that hurt.
That's a lot better on that left side.
Yeah.
For sure. And I'm going to have you lift your head all the way up and back down for me. Good. Okay. So I'm going to be placing this around here. Deep breath in through your nose. Out through your nose. So this is allowing me to feel how your body, just like if it tenses up, if it doesn't tense up, if it's okay, if it's not. Wow.
Oh my God.
That was a ton.
That was so bad. That was so much worse than I thought it would be. It didn't hurt. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Yeah. That was insane. Mm-hmm. It like went down my mid-back.
I felt that through the towel.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you say it was worse than you thought it was going to be.
No, like my back was worse than I thought it was going to be. Not like it didn't hurt. It was relieving. It was great, but my back was worse than I thought it was going to be. Wow.
That was a lot.
Oh my gosh.
Have you had this done before or tried to?
Yeah, someone tried to. They got like the very top and it felt good, but nothing like that. No. Wow.
It was a little bit of a delayed reaction too. I'm just gonna see also how the ankles are here. Ready? Good, one more. Good. And then a little tight here. Good, okay. Keep the left leg straight, lift it up as high as you can go again. That's better, how does that feel?
Yeah, it's a little better.
Yeah, do the right side. Yeah, it's a lot better that way.
Yeah, the right side's a little bit.
Good. So I'm looking at the top of your glutes. This side is a little bit higher. Mm-hmm. The bottom is lower, or the left side's lower.
You should see my rib cage.
So we're gonna open this way first. And then we're gonna turn in this way here. Good. You all right? Yeah. And then keep the left leg straight, lift it up as high as you can go again. Yeah. Much better, right? Yeah. And the right side. Much better, good. And when I push here, right, it's a little stiff. So this comes up, and I'm gonna be literally pushing down in here to get some motion, okay? Here we go. Good. Sorry, you're gonna feel like you've been getting punched in the face for a while. Good. So her upper part on this left side is just really stiff, really locked up. So sections, increments, we're getting to this place where now it's just like, it has this tightness. Beautiful.
Yo. I can't.
You okay?
Yeah. I'm good. I just didn't know it was possible for it to feel better right there. Okay.
It's been a while, huh? Mm-hmm. And let's have you keep the left leg straight again and lift it up again for me. Yeah, much better, right?
Yeah.
So it's crazy how that upper back and that lower back can connect with each other, but you have this band that goes across this way and this way, which will be catty corner. Now lift this one back up too. Yeah, good. See, it's possible to feel good. It seems like you're you're a strong person, right? But you kind of take things as the way that they are. Yeah. And especially when somebody says, I just didn't think it was possible to feel good. And you're being so young.
I just didn't know how bad I felt, I guess. Like, I just thought it was normal.
No, not normal. Let's have you lay on your side. So let's relax everything here. That's good. And what we're gonna do here is push down on this part. Yeah, which is right there. So we're gonna turn a little bit. Loosen.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, look up a little bit, that'll be better.
Oh,
yeah.
crap. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That was good.
That was insane. I can't lay down right now. Holy moly. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah. That was awesome. That was the best.
Take your time.
Yeah.
You're good.
Yeah,
You ready?
good. Yeah.
It's always feel funny because like reactions are different. Some people are like, I gotta get up. Let me get up now. All right. So we're gonna be adjusting this right side now. So I know you couldn't see it earlier, but you have this little curve on this right side, and I'm gonna have to really, really roll you over to get that higher part.
Okay.
So you're gonna just keep that just like that.
Okay.
And right in here, you feel that right there. So we're doing both here and there, really rolling, trying to really get that tension. I have to go so far in. So right where my fingers are pushing. Yes, good.
Oh my gosh. It's like so deep.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. Wow. Okay.
I had to push it in deep.
Yeah.
Right with my finger that.
Yeah.
Go up that way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like a whole new person right now.
Ready? I'm gonna take this on. That's good. That's good. That's good right there. Head down. Now lay back. Good. Drop the head all the way down. Let the shoulders go down. I'm gonna push in here. You can feel that popping already, right? Yep.
Ow! That was it. That was the shoulder. That was it.
That was
the shoulder. Yeah, that's where it hurt so bad.
That was great.
That was it. Yep. Thank you. Okay. Wow. Okay.
That got the shoulder?
Yeah, that was it. It's like right way in there.
Feeling all right?
Yeah.
Good.
You just really don't, like I said, I just didn't realize how much I didn't feel like normal.
Is this real happy right now?
Yeah, not fake happy, yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Golly.
Whenever your energy's cut off that way because of the pain,
Yeah.
it's miserable.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, it is. I know.
I'm placing this right here. So yeah, she has headaches every day. That's not good. Bad sleep, bad thought, energy, everything. So we're gonna open this area up pretty good here. So you're gonna turn your head this way. So we're just adjusting and readjusting to make sure that I have it right on that contact where I want it to be. Right there, yeah. All right, so lean back on me. Turn a little bit this way. And let your head drop into this hand. Yeah, more. Beautiful.
Wow. Yeah. Golly. Yeah. That was wonderful. Yeah.
That was tough.
Like super crack.
It was, you can even feel it just kind of
Yeah, it's
shift
like,
in this
yeah.
way, yeah. So now we're gonna go to the opposite side. And I'm gonna take this here. When I get to this point, it's like, yeah, I don't like it, you know. Come this way, back that way. Yes, good.
Yeah. You hear that? Yeah. Holy golly. Yeah.
That's where the headaches,
Yeah.
the neck issue stuff.
Like it's right here. It's right here. Wow. Okay.
That was good.
That was really good.
So we're gonna turn a little bit this way. You crack your neck? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can feel. It's so bendy, like I have to come all the way this way. You really have to turn inwards.
Ow! My. I don't crack it like that though.
Yes.
I don't even have to touch my face for my neck to crack. I just have to move my neck.
Oh, okay.
Like,
But do you do it? Do you pull sometimes?
Sometimes.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. There's other things you can do. So there's a block that I'm going to recommend that you lay on every single day.
Okay.
It'll get that curve back to where you want it to. So you don't have to continue doing that.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, that was good.
Good. So it's called a body right. The whole segment's kind of shifted this way. Get right on it. Small one. In there. Good. That's that little bit. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
I don't think there's going to be a lot in this one just because we already got everything. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good. In through your nose and out through your mouth. That's good. Let's do that again. Ooh.
You laughed! Oh my God! I don't think there's gonna be a lot. Yeah, right. Holy. Yeah, that was good. Wow.
That was a tough.
Yeah, no, that did it. Okay, I'm a believer. Yeah.
I was trying to make you relax.
Yeah, I know you were. It didn't work. I could feel it like every time you'd go back, it was super tight. Mm-hmm. Okay. Can I get up?
Do you want to get up?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you can get up?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. I really don't know.
Okay. Let's see how you are. There you go.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah. It's weird. It's weird. Okay. I feel super relieved now. Yeah.
Good.
Feel a lot better.
Yeah. Way better.
Kind of crazy, huh?
Yeah, it is crazy. It's nuts.
Over under 10 chiropractors have you seen? Always curious.
Probably about 8.
8?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I mean, I've been trying this for a long time.
She always goes to a chiropractor.
Yeah, she knows. It's my mother-in-law. She knows.
And then she'll call me afterwards. Well, I feel a little better, but it doesn't last.
Yeah.
It doesn't last maybe the whole day.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Well, this will last. And that block that I'm recommending you to get from us, that'll make it last even further. There's different stretches and exercises that we have on our app. You can download it on a QR code over there. It'll help you continue because a part of making things last is also solidifying the muscles around it.
Okay.
Too. So we're going to do this again here. Just look straight. Tell me how this feels now.
It's way better.
Right.
Yeah.
And we're going to continue pushing that curve in so it helps set the adjustment that we just did. Is allowing neurological impulse to realize like, oh, this is where it's supposed to be, this way.
Yeah.
All right. Now let's recheck you. Turn, look at Edmundo. Look all the way to the right.
Hey.
Beautiful. Let's go. Left side. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Stand up now
I could
for
like
me
look
too.
around my whole body.
And try and touch your toes also.
Yeah, way better. I'm
That's
not
amazing.
cracking, not doing nothing.
That feels great.
Working
Huh?
hard. Yeah. That was awesome.
Let me ask you this. When you first walked in to right now, because your energy is totally
No, I'm
different.
way better. Yeah.
Your energy is like totally different.
I don't feel, I guess, like, I don't know, uptight, tight. That's the only way to, that's it. That's tight. That's the only way to describe like everything. Like my head freaking hurt on the way here. Like I was complaining the entire way here about a headache. I don't have a headache no more. It's gone.
That's amazing.
It's gone. Like
First time in like what?
It's gone. It's gone. Like we hit Baytown and I was like, man, my head is pounding and it's gone. It don't hurt.
So good.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah, I know, really.
I know.
Because it just lingers, because I just put up with everything. I'm just
You're
whatever
strong. You
happens,
keep
I'm
going,
just here, yeah. And I'm like, well, this again today. And I don't have a headache at all, like nothing. So,
like the first time, what, in like 5-6 months?
it's not tight, it's not nothing. Yeah, way better. Thank you.
Yeah, you're so welcome. It was a pleasure.
Yes.
I'm glad that you guys decided to make your way out here.
Yeah.
We always want to try our best with everyone, so
Sweet.
I'm glad
Thank
we're
you.
able to do it. Yeah.
Appreciate it.